చెప్పేవాళ్ళు సోది నీ ముఖానికి ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ స్పెల్లింగ్ కూడా రాదు. Sorry children, I thought video is off. Okay, so we'll see factorization 9th class. So very easy chapter. Now we'll continue. Put the camera, turn on the camera. Alright. So factorization 9th class. What is the first of all factorization? We'll see. So factorization is actually one expression will be there. So the expression converting into different factors is nothing but the factorization. So splitting of an expression into factors is nothing but factorization. So x square plus 2x plus x square plus 2x, let us say. See, x square you can write as x multiplied by x. This is 2 multiplied by x. So you can take here x is a common. So when you take out x here, so x plus 2 will be remained. So what you think? Actually initially it is a one single expression. It's a binomial, of course. So this we converted into the product of two expressions. It's a monomial, it's a binomial. So this is called factorization. In fact, if you can divide this given expression by any one of these two factors, you will get remainder 0. So x square plus 2x, if I divide by x times x equal to x square, so minus 0, drop this 2x, so simply 2x. So x divides 2x by 2 times, plus 2 times, because so 2x divided by x equal to x cancel, you will get 2. So x into 2 equal to 2x and the remainder equal to 0. So what we can understand, x plus 2 is a factor, x is a factor, because you will interchange against, you will get the remainder 2, remainder 0. So this is called factorization. Resolving the given expression into the small product of factors is nothing but factorization. So definition is okay. Now come to actually how many types of factorizations we have. In 8th class I killed you by telling many times. So there are first basically taking out the common factors. Taking out the common factors means taking the common factors is the first method. Okay, common factors. So second method is grouping. Okay, grouping, as you change your friends now. Grouping, if it is not any argument, any clashes will come, chalo jai ho, regrouping. So grouping, regrouping. Third one, difference of two squares. Actually the third and fourth and other types are using identities. So difference of squares, difference of two squares. Okay, so like a square minus b square format. So when you have a square minus b square format, so you have identity a plus b into a minus b. So since degree is equal to 2, you will get two factors. The fourth type is difference or sum. Sum means addition of two cubes. So that is a cube minus b cube or a cube plus b cube. So that is equal to a square minus b square, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, or a cube plus b cube. And the last type, fifth type, is factorizing a trinomial. Trinomial is important for 10th class also, because in quadratic equation we'll get, and factorization chapter also you have. So that is a very important chapter. So around 7 marks you can expect from that chapter, 7 to 10 marks. 2 4 is 8 plus 3 11. Okay, so 10 marks means objective also will be there, no? So like that. So trinomial is important for class 10. Now we understood definition, we understood how many types of factorization we have, how many methods, how many ways we can factorize a given algebraic expression or the expression itself. Now come to actually when we have to take when we can apply taking out the common factors, when grouping or regrouping happens. So basically in general, when you have two terms, so So two terms like a square bc plus, or else 3a square bc plus what do you call 15 a b square c. You have two terms here. So this is a one monomial, this is a one more monomial. So two together it is called expression, which is also called binomial, or you have two terms. When you have two terms, always will go for the taking out the common factors. In general, for the two terms you will be having the common factors. And what happens? More than 2 means great. So 3 or 4. So then we go for grouping concept. 3 terms means, so 3 terms means that also 2 or 3 terms. So most will go for the common factors method. So more than 2, that is especially most of the cases 4. So when you have 4 terms, grouping is possible, because 2 pairs. Grouping means so one dabba plus one dabba plus one more dabba plus one more circle. So 2 groups you have. So this is one pair, second pair, like that. Grouping is possible. If grouping is not possible, I mean when you try directly grouping method, so what you have to do, you need to interchange them. So regrouping is possible. So you combine the first term and third term, and second term and fourth term is now friends, like that you have to. And so remaining all are identities. Okay, so that is a third method. Okay, third type, fourth type, fifth type, most of the cases, especially third and fourth children. So third and fourth, because actually it's a trinomial, so it is also called splitting the middle term. Okay, splitting the middle term, children. So middle term, right. So third and fourth, actually third model is a difference of squares, that is a square minus b square. So that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, squares and square roots, cubes and cube roots, you learned it. And the second one is a cube minus b cube. So there are two types you can write, a cube plus b cube. So that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is one way. Make a note, there is no negative sign at all, because the given question is, given formula is, sorry, I am sorry, a plus b whole cube ma. Okay, so this is also the previous also a minus b whole cube. So this a cube minus b cube you have in expansion, not here. A plus b whole cube, all are positive, don't write negative at all. So this you can write as a cube plus b cube. Write 3ab 2 times, children, 3ab. Okay, so keep square for the first term here, I mean 3ab. In this first you keep the square for the first term a. Here you keep the square for the second term. This is the trick. So otherwise a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So what about a minus b whole cube? So that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a minus b. Or else you can write as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. Be careful, the last will be positive. Okay, 3ab here square, here also square for the b. That's it. So this is all about the overview of the chapter. Factorization we have seen. What do you mean by factorization? Where are you seeing? By keeping B3 face. Look at here. Okay, definition. Okay, factorization. How many types of factorizations we have in the chapter, and then when you have to go for the taking out the common factors, when you have to go for the grouping or regrouping, and identities and trinomial. Okay, right. Now let us attack exercise 1. Right. So you see here, these are all actually first 2 questions, 3 questions if you see, even 4th question also, 5th question also. So you have 2 terms only. This one second, 1 2 1 2 1. This total 1 second 1 2. Like that you can think. Okay. So even here also, if you multiply, of course, you will be having 4 terms here. 1 2. Okay, plus is there. Now plus and minus will help you, will tell you how many terms are there. Just count them. Okay, before plus, after minus, before plus, after minus, after plus, like that. Okay, we'll see questions. Basic questions I am trying to avoid. Why unnecessarily number of questions? So we'll see now. Right. So question number 1. Factorize 5x square minus 20xy. 5x square minus 20xy. Okay, there are three different methods are there. So we'll go for the 9th class level method. So 5x square minus 20xy you can write as 5 into x multiplied by x. Okay, don't go for diff here. Okay, and 5 into 2 into 2. Why? God told me 5 2s are 10 children, 10 2s are 20. You need to factorize actually. 20, how can you factorize? So 2 10s are 2 5s are 5 1s are. So 2 into 2 into 5 or 5 into 2 into 2. So this x into y. These dots are multiplication symbols. Okay, it is not a decimal number. So what you do, you just figure out, you just circle them what is the common before minus and after minus. 5 is common. Here also 5 is common. 1x is common. X also common. So whatever I have written the circle numbers, you write outside. So 5 into x. As you have written, what is inside? Left side of the minus sign. Left side of the minus sign you have 1x. And right side of the minus you have 2 into 2 into y. So 2 2s are 4, 4 into 5. That's all completed. So 5x is a one factor into x minus 4y is the second factor. Don't forget to keep the brackets, because sometimes when you take the common, so that again becomes a problem. When you have when you factorize the given expression into two binomials, so that becomes a problem. So that is why don't forget to keep the brackets. That's it. Okay, clear? So this is how you can solve it. So next time after solving 2 3 or 4 5 questions, when you look at the question only, you have to say, so what is the common factor? 5 is 5 1s are 5 4s are 20. So number 5 is common. 1x is there. Here also 1x is there. So 5x is the common. Like that you have to guess. Then only you are going in a progressive path. Okay. So don't always depend. Don't like LKG children all the time. Okay. Directly you have to take the common. Okay. Right. Now coming to question number 2. So what is that? 18 a square b minus 24 abc. Okay, fine. So let us try to write. Actually 18 is a factorization. So 2 9s are 3 3s are. So 2 into 2 into 3 a square, a into a b minus 24 as you factorize here. 3 8s are 24. Okay, 2 4s are 2 2s are. Okay, 2 1s are. So 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. And a into b into c. So what is the common here? You just take it out. 1 2 2 2. Okay, 3 also a b. That's all. So whatever the circle numbers, as a like you have to write. So if you confused, you can write like this: 3 into a into b. So this drop the remaining part here, and minus also as it is. So drop 2 here, c also here. So 2c. That's it. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12ab into a minus 2c. So that's it. So since it is binomial, no problem. No need to, it's not compulsory to keep the brackets if it is monomial. But binomial definitely. So that is why unnecessary headache. Let us keep them in brackets. Nothing will happen. No. Okay. You can't save your pen by keeping brackets here. That's all, children. So these are the basic things. Now I'll just help you the remaining questions quickly. Okay. Try to follow. Question number 3. 27x cube y cube. 27x cube y cube. Okay. Minus 45x power 4 5 power 2. Okay, so 27 you can write as 3 into 3 into 3. So this is 1 2 3 1 2 3 minus 45. 5 9s are 45. Yes or no? 5 into 3 into 3, because 9 5s are 45. 1 2 3 4, and here 1 2. Okay, what is a common? So 3 into 3 is common. 3x are common here. Okay, 3x. And 2 y's are common here. Y. Okay. So write everything here. So 3 into x into x into x into x, y into y. Okay. What is left out? 3 is left out here. And 1y is left out. So 3y minus. What is left out? 5 is left out. 1x is left out. So done. That is equal to 3 3s are 9. X cube y square into 3y minus 5x. That's it. Okay. Fourth question. So 5a of b plus c minus 7b into b plus c. Interestingly, okay, b plus c is the common, left side of minus, right side of minus. So take it out, b plus c, and what is left out, drop here, 5a minus 7b. That's it. Okay. Now see here, till from the beginning onwards I am eating away your minds, right? What is that? Keep brackets. So that bracket is here. This is a very much important. What happens if you don't keep brackets? So 5a minus 7b. Okay, your complete answer will be changed. It means that c into this everything. So you are neglecting b here. That is the problem. So don't forget to keep the brackets. If you keep the brackets, so this complete binomial you are multiplying using distributive property. Otherwise, b is a one term, c into everything is treated as the other term. So that is why brackets are so important. Okay. And the next question also, here also same common here. So nothing is there. P square plus q square. Okay, drop the remaining. Drop the remaining means 2x plus 4y. Finished. Okay. Not only this actually. So now still you can factorize because here 2 is a common here. So in the next step you can write as p square into q square. So 2 is the common. So 2 into x, 2x ma. 2 2 is a 4. So 2y. Okay. So altogether you will be having 3 factors. So see here, interestingly, x power 1, p power 2. If you multiply these two, the degree equal to 3. So since you have 3, you will get 3 factors. That's it. Actually, number of factors directly proportional, directly equal to the degree itself. Okay, clear? So if your degree is 3, you will get 3 factors. Degree is 4, 4 factors you will get. Okay, only thing is you have to resolve it. You means you have to find out. Now hard question has come. Okay, x into a minus 5, y into 5 minus b. This Pittir fellow, instead of giving a minus 5, printing mistake he has given some of the children thinking like this. No, that is correct only. Okay, we have to think. So x into a minus 5 plus y into this bracket part I can write like this, a minus 5. Minus into a, minus into minus plus 5. Okay. If anybody have problem, leave my class. Don't come. Go. So a minus 5 is a common left side and right side. So that a minus 5 you take it out happily. Okay. Within the bracket drop the remaining part. What is the remaining? X is remaining. Okay. So minus also remaining children actually. Y into minus 1 is a product actually in fact. So that is equal to a minus 5 into x minus plus into minus equal to minus, or y into minus 1 equal to minus 5. That's it. This is the factor. So take care here. A minus 5 if you have, then only you can factorize. You can take it as a common factor. Just now this one is there, p square plus q square, like that. So like that you have to convert. You have to change this. How can you change? Maintain a separate bracket here and keep the minus symbol here. Within the bracket write reverse. Reverse means this one, a minus 5. Even though if you multiply, you can. So see that if you do any modification and if you reverse it, you have to get the previous question itself. Okay, you should not get beyond the given question. Okay, some of the children will change. Even they will forget the given question itself. Okay, now right. Now next question. So the 7th question is like 4 into x plus y minus 6 into x plus y whole square. Okay, so here x plus y is a very much simple to see here, but here square is there. It's like 4a square minus 6 4a minus 6a square children, like this, because you can treat it as this as a single term here. So here 2 into 2 into x plus y minus 2 into 3 into x plus y into x plus y. A plus b whole square you can write as a plus b into a plus b, right? So therefore 2 is common, 2 is common, x plus y is common, x plus y is common. So remaining you have to write like this. Okay. So 2 into x plus y is the common, you take it out, and remaining means the underlying numbers 2 and minus 3 into x plus y. That's it. So this is called factorization. Done. Okay. So this is a 2 is a factor, x plus y is a factor, 2 minus this entire is a one more factor. Okay, na? Finished. Done. Now from now onwards I want to continue with the little different questions. So here you have 4 terms, you have to make a group, 2 pairs. So what is there here? A into A plus 2 into A into A. Okay. So a square is common here, a square is common. Okay, as you take a square common, a plus 2 will be remaining. Now we'll talk about the second group, that is a 5a plus this 5 into a plus 2 into 5. Okay, so what is common? 5 is the common, take the 5 as common. As you take 5 as common, a plus 2, hammaya. Okay, I got a plus 2, happy. So a plus 2 as you take common here, or else for every 2 common factors, actually bracket factor you have to get correctly. Otherwise if you won't get the bracket factors correctly, you have to go for the regrouping. Regrouping means match a cube and 5a, a cube plus 5a, 2a square plus 10. Like that you have to regroup, because this grouping is not matching, right? So you have to interchange the terms and you have to regroup. Anyway, luckily I got a plus 2. So, and remaining together you write down. Remaining together means what? A square plus 5. In fact, this is also one more type of, one more time we are taking common, a plus 2 common. As you take a plus 2 common, a square plus 5 will be inside. Instead of that, again, some children again, Abba sir, with a lot of hard work I have factorized. Again I have to factorize. For that people, a plus 2, you write one a plus 2 and remaining club together and write down. Okay, na? Happier? So 11, 12, very simple. So you can try, you will get the direct answer. Here you have x square and this. So then if I take common here, x square plus will be inside, children. So here grouping is not possible. Actually I am unable to get it. So what you have to do, then you have to regroup, interchange these two. X square minus xy is one group. Okay, plus x minus plus y minus x is the other group. Okay, 1 and 3rd are one group, children. 2nd and 4th are the second group. Okay, so in the first group what we can take common? X is the common, because x into x minus x into y. So as you take the x common here, so x minus y will be inside the bracket. Next here, so nothing is common. 1 into y minus 1 into x. So as you take 1 as a common factor, you will get y minus x. Oh, again bad situation. X minus y, here y minus x, both are not equal. So then you have to go ahead for the regrouping. Okay, cancel. Now what you have to do, first and fourth will combine. First x square minus x plus y minus xy. Okay, so as you take x as a common factor here, so x into x, x square minus 1 plus y you can take as a common factor. So y when you take, you will get 1 minus x. Wow, what is this bad situation? So then what we can do? So we can either, you can simplify here, you can simplify here. So what is that? If you take x into x minus y like this, plus y into, I have told no, keep a bracket and minus sign, here you can keep x minus 1. So x minus 1 is a common, this before plus and after plus. So take x minus 1 as a common factor, you will get x here. So already you have taken x minus y, x minus 1. So what is left out here? Y is left out and minus is left out. Minus we can't write now, so we can write minus 1. Okay, here plus. So therefore x minus 1 into x into plus into minus equal to minus. So that's it. Of course, even here also you can take factor. So just you can do like this. This is the best way. Okay, now clear? So that is what actually some situations will not be happen so easily. So in that case we have to do like this. Okay, now? Right.